Hey everyone, how are you? Another little live today because I wanted to chat about something. And today I wanted to chat about um, it's to do with manifestation and the law of attraction. Funny that, I'm always talking about that. And what I wanted to talk about today in particular is about how mindset alone could be what is blocking your manifesting power and like getting more of what you want in your life. So say hi to me if you're there and say hi to me if you're on the replay as well. I'd love to know. And let me know if you're liking the lives as well because yeah, I'll do more of them if you want. So I just want to talk about that because that was something that was really hard for me. Like when I first started on my journey of manifesting and learning about manifesting and things like that, what I found hard is I could just get myself to a certain point and then it was harder to go further than that. And so there is a body component to the law of attraction and manifestation, right? We need to bring our body into the situation, okay? Because we need to show our body that it's safe to have what we want. Because anything new to you and your body is a threat. Anything new, anything unfamiliar is a threat, right? And so it will sabotage, like your body will sabotage your manifestations and things like that. Like, for example, say you want to manifest money and then all of a sudden you get like a bill or something like that come in, like you manifest 1,000 and then a $800 bill comes in and then your tire goes flat and all of a sudden $1,000 is out of your life. Okay. And that's because it's like your body needs to reset you again. It's like, no, all that's unfamiliar. Having like $1,000 in the bank account is really unfamiliar. We can't have that. We've got to get rid of it. Right. And so we'll sabotage. I do have an amazing little essence for sabotage as well, which helps get your conscious mind and subconscious mind on board to be in alignment and stop you doing this sabotaging pattern. So let me know if you want to know about that. Just comment below and I can send you a PM or whatever, or you can send me one and, find out more about that. Because it really is important to have both the conscious mind and the subconscious mind in alignment. So, because the thing is when we're blocking our manifestation as well, we mightn't be consciously blocking our manifestation. We could actually be unconsciously blocking our manifestation, right? So, we've created all these things out there, but we've created them unconsciously, right? So you might have something in your life and you're like, I wouldn't have created this. But you have, but you're doing it unconsciously from old belief systems, right? So your old belief systems are manifesting. That's why we need to look at, well, let's create new belief systems, right? Let's create new belief systems so that you can then start to create a different reality out there and have different experiences in life, right? So, and the body is a survival mechanism, so it will freak out when there's new things. And so we need to become familiar with what we want in our life and tell our body it's safe. And that's a lot of the work that I do is I'm getting your body familiar. I'm releasing the blocks to it, the old patterns and the old belief systems. And then we're repatterning the body, right? And we're allowing the body to be safe. We're becoming familiar with the new things that we want. And then we have a little bit of a smoother transition into our manifestations, right? Very powerful. So for me, when I was going along on my manifesting journey, I just felt like I could only get to a certain point. And I'm like, what's wrong? And then it was the body component, the nervous system component that I was missing. And so then I learned all about the neuroscience of manifestation and all of that. And then I've been able to really help. That's been really, has really helped me be able to manifest those things that I wanted that I was finding hard to actually manifest, right? So anyway, that's just what I wanted to explain to you today. Let me know if it makes sense. Let me know in the comments if you've got any questions. Because the thing is, everything that you're creating and have created right now is just belief systems unconsciously that you can change. You can create anything you want, absolutely anything you want. You just have to, like I said, get your mind and body on board, get familiar with the thing, and get your beliefs in alignment and release anything that's telling you that you can't have it. That's it. And then have it. And so the thing with manifesting as well is when you're first learning, it's like learning to drive a car. When you first learn to drive a car, especially a manual, let me know if you had a manual, did you just know how to do it? Right? No, you had to go into the car. You had to learn how it worked, look in the revision mirror, look there, reverse, gears, clutch, brake, what is it? Clutch, brake, accelerator, like all of that had to, you had to learn about all of that. And it's the same with manifestation. It's a learning process, but then you can learn and then it becomes automatic and then you are a master manifester, just manifesting and knowing that you are getting everything that you want, right? So, like I said, mind, body. It's not just about it's just not just about the mind. The body has to be involved too. All right? Let me know if it's resonated. Let me know if you've got any questions, and I'll chat to you all soon. Bye.